Today I am going to talk about secant method, one of the root finding technique. So here is the problem. Find a root of fx is equal to x cube minus 4x plus 4 using the secant method. So initial guesses. So we need two initial points for that secant method. So x0 is equal to 0 and x1 is equal to 1. So first evaluate fx0 and fx1. So x0 at value is 0 and x1 is 1. So function value will be f of 0 is 4 and f of 1 will be minus 1. So after getting that initial guesses and function value, so here is the general formula. Xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn minus xn n minus 1 f of xn minus f of xn minus 1. So now here we are going to calculate the x2 using secant method. X1 minus f of x1 minus x0 f of x1 minus f of x0. Now substituting all this value, so x1 is 1, so 1 minus f of x1 is minus 1, x1 is 1 and x0 is 0, 1 minus 0, and then f of x1 is minus 1, f of x0 is minus 4. So here we are getting that minus 1 minus 4, so x2 is 0.8. so now f of x2, so that I am getting that minus 0.2880. So calculate next iteration. So we have x2 and x1. So using x1, x2. So I'm going to calculate x3. So x3 is here. After plugging all this value, x3 is 0.7191. So now we have to calculate f of x3. So here f of x3 is 0.0572. After plugging x is equal to 0.7191, and then calculate x4. So if after plugging x3 and x2, so I am getting x4 is equal to 0.7325. So now again we have to calculate x4. So x4 plugging in the function, x4 is equal to 0.7325. So I am getting 0.0020. So now next I am going to calculate x5. So x4 is known and x3 is known. So if I plug everything, so here x5, actually this will be x5 is equal to 0.7321. and then the function value will be so 0.00013. so convergence is achieved. So here approximate root is 0.7321.